Learning Genie helps families and educators stay connected and informed, especially during emergencies. With our survey feature in the Learning Genie for Parents app, parents and guardians can quickly fill out surveys to provide important information, helping educators ensure everyone's safety and well-being during emergencies. Here's how you can send a survey through your Learning Genie account. Locate the Survey tab on the left-hand side menu. Remember that you can send a survey to both staff and families. Click on the orange button that says Create Survey. Fill in the required fields, title, description, and then add your questions. Select from multiple choice, checkboxes, short answers, multiple choice grids, and checkbox grids. Choose which questions will be required. Once you've added all your questions, click on Next. Select who it's going to. Remember to select Non-Anonymous Survey to see the results by family. You can leave Select a Date blank if you'd like this to be an ongoing survey. Once families have completed the survey through their Learning Genie for Parents app, you'll be able to see the survey results on your Learning Genie account. You can also filter by individual child response so that you can see each child's family's response.